Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to access Display, scroll down again, and tap on this little switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!